I still can't believe I'm here. Lord have mercy. That's life! Just... Don't try this at home, kids! Okay, so I woke up. It's about 7 o'clock. I'm ready to go. In the night I didn't even see where I parked because it was so dark and raining, so I just went straight to sleep. But it looks like it's a pretty nice place. Alrighty then, time to go for bakery. And maybe wash my face a little bit. Hello there, subscribers. I should come up with a catchphrase for this. Anyway, this is where I've been swimming yesterday in the night, and you probably couldn't see anything. I'm not sure if I'm gonna include that part, but I still can't believe I'm here. This is just so beautiful. The water is so cool. Not gonna swim now though. I think I'm gonna go for a hike. I need to go all around the lake. There's supposed to be ferry going, but I didn't see. I need to... oh shit, looks like it's departing right now over there. We'll see if I can go get to the other side, and there is a nice waterfall that I can see. Hello. Hello there, buddy. Hey man. Check the leaf. Oh. This one looks like a cow. There's a little ding-dong swinging there. It is beautiful. I don't know. I like art, all kinds of different stuff that people create, but I think every time I would still choose nature. Like, there is nothing more beautiful than nature. Still feeling a little bit like in a dream. I'm just so lucky to be here. It's incredible. Okay, so there is a ferry which goes from there. Oh, people are boarding already. And to the other side of the lake, and then from there you can go in about half an hour maybe to a waterfall, but I'm not looking for easy ways as always, and I want to try it out and go there on foot. No idea how much time it will take. No idea how much time it will take, but I'm still going because I have time. Huh. And I got a rain jacket in my backpack in case it's raining. Oh my god. Oh my god, just check out the color of this water and the waterfall over there. I can hear it. Okay, okay. It's not bad. But there is a bigger one just in front of us. Signs for pussies. Although some hikers already looked weird at me that I'm wearing just regular running shoes and don't look like a proper hiker. That's the proper hike actually for me, where there is a road which is not so overrun and without steps created by humans. Whoa. Smells nice. What a nice meditation walk. I'm not sure if there's a path here, kinda, but so far it's been working out for me. Lord have mercy, this tree is gonna go down soon, and that's gonna be spectacular. I wonder if there's gonna be anyone to see it. Does it need a push maybe? No, pretty tough. Oh well. I don't know if this qualifies as a waterfall, but check this out. Nice little passage here, just for me alone. Not going there, but I guess I'll go over there. Uh-oh. There are like huge holes in here, and to be honest, I don't want to know what this is. I better get out of here as soon as possible. Now that's a cool path here, and I can hear the waterfall, which is great. I hope there is going to be a nice view from there, but I think I'm close to the official track also. Should be, because I got quite high already. Hi. So this is where I started. Still a long way to go. I'm approaching the waterfall. It's really loud now, and it is gonna be spectacular. Maybe next time I should wear something more comfortable than jeans. After all, at least my shorts. Oh my god. Dear sweet Jesus, Mother of God! Haha! Woo! I made it, mother. Oh! Oh my God! Wow! This is like one of the most amazing things I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm not going into the stream, although it would be cool of course, but I don't want to fly down there. So What I think I'm gonna do is just use the small one, or maybe, just maybe, I can go down there and just stay there and go. I think this is exactly what I'm gonna do. Oh man. Dear sweet mother of God. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Shit, my word. My goodness. Oh my God, I'm alive! I'm alive! That's life is. Whoa! Oh my God. I can feel the energy of the earth, of the water. Damn cold, man. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ferry, they said. Screw the ferry, man. Look at this. It was so amazing. I'm going once more. The pressure is so high. It's good that there is such a basin over here that kind of makes sure that I'm not going all the way down. But still gotta be careful. Don't try this at home, kids. I'm cold, man. Wow. Okay, the second time was already enough. Wow. I feel so alive right now. It's incredible. After this horrible winter, this lockdown, bad burnout, doesn't matter. It just feels so damn amazing to be here, to be one with nature. So my GoPro is dead. I hope it's not because of the water, because it's supposed to be waterproof, or maybe it just battery died, but it doesn't work, doesn't charge back the power bank. But I just wanted to show you how freaking beautiful this place is. It just blows my mind. I don't know, I'm still blown away. Luckily not literally, because it would hurt. I'm gonna post the route of how I got here in the description. I know I'm a bit crazy, so not everyone is gonna go down and take a swim here, but just seeing this is incredible. Also these mountains over there behind me, just so damn beautiful. I'm in love with this place. The most beautiful place so far I've ever been to. I've never been to Asia. Actually, I've never been much out of Europe yet. I've been to Egypt and Israel. So technically I've been to Asia and Africa, but it's, you know, doesn't count. So many more places to explore. I had no expectations whatsoever for this place, and it turned out to be just amazing. It's just so freaking beautiful. I bet these people over there on the ferry are just jealous of me right now, or just thinking, oh, who is this crazy? Now I'm gonna definitely sit down, have a snack, and see you after that. Dear sweet mother of God. And some people live here. Oh, come on. This cow doesn't like me. The water is... Oh. Hit my finger, motherfucker.